Here I will show you how to make keto flatbread. So as I have this coconut spoon of this, 3, 4, 5. So this is a coconut flour. And I have here a psyllium husk. I'm gonna need only 1 spoon of this psyllium husk. Boiled water. Alright, so we're just going to set this set aside for 30 minutes. So just keep us set aside for 30 minutes. Then, so here you go. 30 minutes. Ito na siya. Ito na yung ating dough ng coconut flour and psyllium husk. Ayan. Pinatakan ko lang siya ng konting So, hahatiin ko siya sa 4. Ayan. Hatiin ko na siya dito sa flat. Ayan. So, since wala akong parchment paper, naisipan kong gawin tong sa plastic. Ito. Make sure na malinis siya. Ipa-flat nyo lang. Ayan. Tapos, yun na siya, guys. Ayan, takpan natin ng konti. So, yan na siya. Ayan. Look at that, guys. So, mahinang apoy lang siya para hindi siya masunog. So, ganun lang siya lahat. Lalagyan natin dito yung ating tapos ganun lang siya, guys. So, ito na yung isang nagawa natin. Tikman daw natin. Masarap siya. Pwede na siya pang breakfast talaga. Or merienda. Susunod lalakihan natin. Nagawa ko ng pang sandwich, ganun. Kasi hindi siya naaano, hindi siya na parang yung flatbread lang din na kubos. So, eto na siya. Diba? Ayan. So, meron na akong 4 na flatbread. So, as in, healthy. Ayan. Pwede kayong gumawa ng sandwich. Diba? This is our keto flatbread. So it's very healthy. It's coming from coconut flour and psyllium husk, and that's all. Little bit of olive oil and so easy to make. Ayan. So this will be a good breakfast for me tomorrow, or maybe merienda. You know, just add some cheese or something, tomatoes, whatever, and there you go. I can't use this bread. I can use this bread on any type of spread sandwiches like that. So, or you can just eat it like that. And okay, yeah. Healthy keto bread. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope I give you inspiration. And you know, the more we get older, we need to take care of ourselves also. Stay safe and be healthy. Eat healthy food.